Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing with the basic elementary shapes, and this is the chapter that I will be discussing. The first question is, what is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation? If I draw a line segment and I just observe this line segment, can I tell what is the length of this line segment? Or this line segment? You can approximately say the length of the line segment until and unless I measure it with a scale. Okay, so by mere observing I will not get the actual value of the line segment. Okay, the next question states, why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of any line segment? So whenever we use a scale, it has got a width. Okay, there is a width. So this glass scales will have very little width, whereas if you take the wooden scale, the scales will have a small width. This can cause an error in whatever is your measurement. So when you use a divider, you know how a divider looks like? Okay, when you use a divider, so this divider you can just measure this width, and then on the line you can just rotate the divider and keep on using it. Okay, so you will get the actual measurement. So the error is reduced to a huge extent. Next question, it states, draw a line segment AB, take any point lying in between A and B, measure the lengths AB and BC and AC. Is AB is equal to AC and CB? So this is the question. First we need to draw a line segment AB of any measurement, and then after that we will have to measure their lengths. So you see, I have drawn a line segment of measuring 7 centimeter, and I will take any point C on this line. So on this line of 7 centimeter, I will take a point C. This is the line segment AB, and I have taken C, and now I will measure AC and CB. So measuring this, I have measured AC is 3 centimeter, and when I took CB, it is, if you check, it is 4 centimeter. Okay, so now if AC, I have taken AC is equal to 3 centimeter and CB is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is 3 plus 4? That is equal to 7 centimeter. So I can say AC plus CB is equal to AB. Okay, so that is what is your third question. Then coming to the next question, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, so I am drawing a line. So this is a 5 centimeter line approximately, and I am measuring AB. BC is 3 centimeter. So around, I can say I will have a B and a C of 3 centimeter. Okay, BC is of 3 centimeter and AC is of 8 centimeter. What is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8 centimeter. So which one lies in between? In this case, B lies in between. Okay, B lies in between. Next question, we have to say whether D is the midpoint of AG. AG is a line segment, and now whether D is the midpoint. So to see the midpoint, A, here G, next B, F, C, E. So I am having AD is equal to DG. Right, I will get AD is equal to DG. Therefore, D is the midpoint. Of AG, line segment AG. Alright. Next question. If B is the midpoint of AC, So again I'm drawing a line AC, line segment, and B is the midpoint of line segment, midpoint. Okay. And C is the midpoint of BD. So if this same BC is being extended, so D, so this is equal to this, and I am drawing another line CD which is equal. Okay. So this way, where ABCD lie on the same line or in a straight line, say why AB is equal to CD. So now looking at this figure, I can say, so I can write what is given to me. Given is nothing but I have AB is equal to BC, as B is the midpoint of AC, and also I have got BC is equal to CD. That is because C is the midpoint of BD. Now here you can write B is midpoint of AC, and here C is midpoint of BD, line segment. Okay, so you have this. Now what should you prove? To prove is AB is equal to CD. Okay, AB is equal to CD. You have to prove this. Now what is the proof? What is the proof? I have AB is equal to BC. Produce it as equation 1. I have BC is equal to CD. Produce it as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what do I get? AB is equal to C. BC is common here. BC is equal to CD. So therefore I can always write AB is equal to CD. So I can write finally hence proved. Fine. Alright. So this is the question. And the last is draw any 5 triangles. We will do only with one triangle and measure their sides. Check in each case whether the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides is always less than the third side. Okay. So that we will check it. I have drawn a triangle ABC. So I have AB which is equal to 4 centimeter. Then I have BC that is 3.5 centimeter, and I have got AC that is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now if I have to sum up any 2 sides, AB plus BC, it is equal to 4 plus 3.5, that is 7.5 centimeter. This is obviously greater than AC, the 3 centimeter. Did you see? So I can have it AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now if I have to check BC plus AC, BC is 3.5 centimeter, AC is 3 centimeter. So this is 6.5 centimeter, which is again greater than 4 centimeter that you have the third side. Okay. So here I can say BC plus AC is greater than AB. Similarly, if I have AB plus AC, which is 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7 centimeter, which is again greater than 3.5 centimeter. So here also I will have AB plus AC is greater than BC. So in these cases I have shown here is the sum of lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. So the sum of lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. That's the answer. Thank you.